Friends, at some point of time in Indian culture there used to be festivals every single day in a year. In other words, all they needed was an excuse to celebrate every day of the year. Each one of these festivals was attributed to different reasons and different purposes in life. They were to celebrate various historical events, victories, or certain situations in life such as sowing, planting, and harvesting. There was a celebration for every situation. But Mahashivratri has a different significance. Mahashivratri is very important for all those who aspire to the ultimate. This night is a joyful awakening night for you. What is Mahashivratri and why is it celebrated? Friends, Mahashivratri, the great night of Shiva, is the most important event in the spiritual calendar of India. The 14th day of every lunar month or the day before the new moon is known as Shivratri. Of all the 12 Shivratris that fall in a calendar year, Mahashivratri, which falls in February se March, has the most spiritual significance. On this night, the northern hemisphere of the planet is positioned in such a way that there is a natural upward flow of energy in man. It is a day when nature is pushing a person towards the spiritual peak. To make use of this, in this tradition, we established a certain festival which goes on throughout the night. To allow this natural surge of energy to find its way, one of the fundamentals of this night-long celebration is to ensure that you stay awake throughout the night, keeping your spine straight. Importance of Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is very important for people who follow the spiritual path. It is also very important for those who are in family situations and also for those who are ambitious in the world. Rather, he is regarded as the Adi Guru, the first Guru from whom the science of yoga originated. After several millennia in meditation, one day he became absolutely still. That day is Mahashivratri. All movement within them stopped and they became completely still, so ascetics see Mahashivratri as a night of peace. Spiritual significance of Mahashivratri. Legends abound as to why this day and night are held with such importance in the yogic traditions. Because it presents possibilities for a spiritual seeker. Modern science has gone through many phases and has reached a point today where they are ready to prove to you that everything you know as life, everything you know as matter and existence, everything that you know as the universe and the Milky Way is just energy manifesting itself in millions of ways. This scientific fact is an experiential reality in every yogi. The word yogi means one who has realized the oneness of existence. When we say yoga, we are not referring to any one particular practice or system. All longing to know the infinite, all longing to know the unity in existence is yoga. The night of Mahashivratri gives one an opportunity to experience it. Shivratri is the darkest night of the month. Celebrating Shivratri on a monthly basis and the special day, Mahashivratri, almost feels like a celebration of darkness. Any logical mind will oppose darkness and naturally choose light. But the word Shiva literally means he who is not. That which is existence and creation. That which is not is Shiva. That which is not means if you open your eyes and look around, if you have an eye for the little things, you will see a lot of creation. If your vision is looking for really big things, you will see that the biggest presence in existence is a vast emptiness. Some of the spots we call galaxies are much more commonly seen, but the vast void that holds them goes unnoticed by everyone. This vastness, this infinite emptiness is called Shiva. Today modern science also proves that everything comes from nothingness and goes back to nothingness. It is in this context that Shiva is the vast emptiness. For this reason Shiva is referred to as the Great Lord or Mahadev. Almost every culture on this planet has always been talking about the all-pervading nature of the divine. If we look at it, the only thing that can really be omnipresent, the only thing that can be everywhere is darkness or emptiness. Normally when people are seeking welfare, we speak of divinity as light. When people are no longer seeking welfare, when they are looking beyond their life in terms of dissolution, if the object of their worship and their sadhana is annihilation, then we always refer to the divine as darkness. Importance of Shivratri. Light is a brief phenomenon in your mind. Light is not eternal, it is always a finite possibility as it occurs and dies. The biggest source of light that we know of on this planet is the sun. You can even block the sunlight with your hand and leave behind a shadow of darkness. The immature minds of the world have always referred to darkness as the devil. But when you describe the divine as omnipresent, you are clearly referring to the divine as darkness, because only darkness is omnipresent. It is everywhere. It doesn't need anyone's support. Light always comes from a source that is burning itself. It will end by burning. It has a beginning and an end. It is always from a limited source. Darkness has no source. It is a resource in itself. It is everywhere and omnipresent. So when we say Shiva, it is the vast emptiness of existence. The whole creation has taken place in the lap of this vast emptiness. It is the lap of emptiness that we call Shiva. In Indian culture, not all ancient prayers were about saving oneself, protecting oneself, or doing better in life. All the ancient prayers have always been this: O Lord, destroy me so that I may merge into you. So when we say Shivratri, which is the darkest night of the month, it is an opportunity for one to dissolve one's limitedness, to experience the infinity of the source of creation, which acts as a seed in every human being. Does Mahashivratri a night of awakening? Mahashivratri is an opportunity and possibility to lead oneself to the experience of the vast emptiness within every human being, which is the source of all creation. On the one hand, Shiva is known as the destroyer. On the other hand, he is known as the most merciful. He is also considered to be the biggest giver. Yoga lore is replete with many stories about the compassion of Shiva. The ways of expression of his compassion have been incredible and surprising at the same time. So Mahashivratri is also a special night to attain Sunyata. This is our wish and blessing. May you not pass this night without knowing at least a moment about the vastness of this emptiness which we call Shiva. So friends, we wish that this night should not be just a night of awakening in your life, but this night should be a night for you to know Sunyata means Shiva. Friends, how did you like this presentation? Please express your views in the comment box. If you like the video, then like the video and share it with your friends and relatives. Do subscribe the channel, we will keep bringing such Vedanta in front of you. Till then, Om Tattva Satya.